Hello my friends, Caleb Wright here from Bitcoin Lifestyles Club, and today you are going to learn how to use Tron power to earn TRX passively using a certain feature of the Tron wallet. Yes, it's that easy. You just need to put Tron in a wallet and simply freeze it, and the equivalent amount of Tron power becomes available depending on how much Tron currency you freeze. Freezing it just means that you are not going to be able to send it out of the wallet. The funds are essentially locked. However, you can unfreeze your funds at any time if you need them. So the first step is to download a legitimate Tron wallet. I decided to use Tronscan because it's recommended by Ledger and it's compatible with the Ledger Nano S. You do not need to have a Ledger device to use this wallet. There are other methods that allow you to personally secure the wallet and your private keys. If you Google Ledger and Tronscan, as you can see I did right here, Ledger Tronscan, you will find their official support article explaining how to set up Ledger with Tronscan. Just click the first link you find here that says install and use Tron TRX Ledger support. This is on their official website, so you know it's the official source, and they have a direct link. Head right over there, and as you can see they have a direct link, download Tronscan desktop, so we're just going to click that and head right over there. It takes us straight to the official GitHub download page for the Tronscan wallet. From here you're going to download and then install this wallet. If you have a Mac, you can download the Tronscan Mac x64 zip. If you have a Windows-based computer, you can download the Tronscan Win32 x64 zip. And of course, if you have a Linux, you can get the Linux version right here. So just download the file and then install the program to your computer. If you have a Ledger, just use the instructions back here at the Ledger blog. If you have a Ledger, just use the instructions back here at the Ledger blog. They have the step-by-step laid out for you right here. If you don't, then you can just choose one of the other non-Ledger options to create the wallet once you have installed the program and turned it on for the first time. Once your wallet is installed, it will look like this once it is turned on. You can click in the upper right hand corner where it says Open Wallet to get the option to create your wallet. If you already have done that and you have created your private key, you can sign in using it right here. And you can also select Open Wallet for a number of options, including logging in with either your Ledger device or your Trezor device, or a couple of other options. I'm going to take a moment to log into my wallet using the Ledger by clicking Open Wallet and selecting Ledger. Then I'm just going to open up my Ledger. Once your Ledger is connected, it'll show that it's connected and you can simply click the green button that says Open Wallet. Now that I'm in the wallet, you can see that I have quite a bit of Tron power. The Tron power that I have is equal 1-to-1 with the amount of TRX that I froze. While frozen, those funds are unavailable in my main balance. However, as you can see, I do have 8,992 Tron available in my balance that I have been earning by leveraging the Tron power. In fact, in the past 9 or 10 days, I have earned about 10,000 TRX. I froze my first day's earnings, and then I decided to let the rest build up so I could make this video for demonstrative purposes. The other thing to notice is that, like holding Ethereum in the past, holding Tron and using your Tron power can earn you bonus tokens that are created on the Tron network using actual TRX, meaning that they have actual value in TRX. Some of the coins that people earned in this way, similarly on the ETH network, actually gained some value in the future. This could be possible with Tron-based tokens as well, so might as well hodl them and see what happens. Notice that you can click each one for details about the token. It's pretty neat. So I'll click Tron Cash, and it gives a little information about it and a website link. So by now you are probably wondering, how do you use your Tron power? Well, first you have to get some. So after installing Tronscan and getting your wallet going, you're going to need to buy some Tron off the exchange and send it to your wallet address, which you can find listed right here. The transaction will be very quick. Once the Tron is in your wallet, you can then scroll down on this particular page and select freeze, this black button right here, and type the amount of Tron you want to freeze. I'll put 8,000, and then you just check this little button here and you can select freeze balance. Now since I'm using the ledger, I'm going to confirm this transaction on my ledger. Just did that. Now I'm going to click OK, and I successfully have frozen 8,000 TRX. Now that I have frozen some more TRX that I have actually earned through the voting process here, now I can go allocate it in another vote for the purpose of this video to show you how to do it. So once your TRX is frozen, the Tron power will show up in your wallet. Next, you are going to click Votes from the Wallet menu, right up here at the top of the wallet. And in this view, you can see all the super representative candidates that are competing with each other to be one of the top 27 highest voted and become super representatives. Tron elections happen every 24 hours, and so this ranking is a constantly fluctuating thing. Tron representatives play a key role in governing the Tron community by ensuring basic functions like block generation and bookkeeping, to be rewarded with each block generation, which is 32 Trons per second. The concept is that to keep the super representative positions, super representatives will have to provide incentives to the community. One way they are doing this is by paying dividends to the voters who have allocated Tron power to vote for them. Some will also be doing that, as well as using some of the funds to develop useful applications for the Tron network that will actually help it increase in utility and ultimately value. So it's your choice who to vote for with your Tron power. However, I have chosen to vote for Team TRX, who at least up until August 1st is giving away 100% of the Tron that they mine to their voters and supporters, and after August 1st it will be lowered to 85%. They're one of the only English-speaking groups I have seen on there to date. When I first joined them, they were down around 7th place. Then I put all my Tron power towards them, and then within a few days it seems that they had a rush of voting support and they made it all the way up to 1st place, and they've been up there for the past week. So their 100% giveaway program has been quite popular and effective. And they actually also have a good Facebook group. The group has useful information and regular updates. A good community is building and kept up to date in there by Team TRX leader Harry Warmerdam, who also apparently has some inside connections with the company Tron, so he usually has interesting insights. Search for Tron TRX Team TRX in the Facebook graph search bar right up here, and join this group as well for additional infos and community support. So back here at the wallet, we're just going to click the big red button that says click here to start voting. Then you're going to go to the super representative that you want to vote for, the representative or candidate that you want to allocate your Tron power votes. And you're just going to use this little feature on the right and use the plus button to allocate as much of it as that you would like. Just keep heading plus until it says that you've run out of votes up here at the top. Now it only has votes remaining 0.154, so I've depleted all of my Tron voting power. Now I'm just going to click the green Submit Votes button, and I'm going to have to just confirm the transaction on my ledger. It will just take a moment to complete, and then it says thank you for voting. Your votes are successfully submitted. They will take effect when the next voting cycle starts. You may redistribute your votes anytime you like. We'll just click OK. Now I allocated all of my votes to the team that I'm already supporting, but I do believe that you can vote for multiple super representative candidates if you want to. The cool thing is that once you have voted, you can leave your TRX frozen. Even though it does have to be frozen for up to 3 days, you can unfreeze it anytime you want after that 3 days, but you can just leave it frozen and your Tron power will remain allocated to the super representatives that you want. And since elections happen daily, Tron super representatives earn daily, which means we earn dividends in our wallet daily from each super representative that we support according to how much Tron power that we're supporting them with. And it also depends on the percentage of TRX that they are rewarding as well. Each super representative is going to be a little bit different in that aspect. So with the amount of Tron power I have been averaging 900 to 1100 Tron per day. That usually comes in around 5 p.m. EST, along with these other tokens I showed you, which the tokens can be kind of random which ones I'm going to receive, so that's always kind of interesting when some new ones come through. You can also change your Tron power and allocate it to any other Tron super representative that you want, or whether you want to simply just unfreeze your coins and trade them, or if you want to change how you're allocating your Tron power and vote for whoever you think is going to do the best job and provide the most value for your Tron power. So it's that easy to leverage a coin you are probably already holding long term anyways and earn some nice interest and additional tokens, some of which may or may not turn into something valuable. Some of my favorite altcoin currencies out there have ways of earning them passively, whether through staking or master nodes, these are easier methods, or traditional mining, which are more complex and a resource intensive type of methods. They provide holders with more incentive to hold the coin, and if the project has a real world use case, this is a powerful combination for growth over the long term as supply gets locked up by long-term holders taking advantage of the passive earning feature to further increase their gains over time. I hope you found value in this video and this helps you to maximize on your investment or mid to long-term trade with Tron, an asset I foresee to have a very bright future ahead of it, as it's a very fundamentally sound project. If you'd like to learn more about how to maximize on your cryptocurrency trading and investing, and even passive earning through different mining methods in the cryptocurrency market, you should take a serious look at my Crypto Trading Mastery course and 24/7 running mastermind chat group on Slack. You can learn more using the link right under this video that will take you to bitcoinlifestyles.club, where you can learn more by watching the video and testimonials on this page. If you have any questions about it, feel free to reach out to me using the contact form on my site. If cryptocurrency is still something that's actually a mystery to you, you can always take advantage of my free crypto mini course right here. And also, other than watching the main introductory video, you can review all the sections of the actual course in the syllabus section of the website. So check that out. And finally, if you found value in this video, I would ask that you please like this video, share it with your friends, and please leave a comment right underneath this video with your feedback. I would love to hear back from you. Hope you have a great day. Caleb Wright here from bitcoinlifestyles.club signing off, and we'll catch you on the next video that'll help you make money in the cryptocurrency market.